Welcome to Fix It or Fail It, where we turn everyday customer interactions into extraordinary experiences. It was a gloomy Tuesday morning. Angela, a first-time customer, stepped into a service center, drenched, stressed, and skeptical. She didn't expect much, but then the service rep looked her in the eye, smiled, and said, "You made it through the rain. That deserves a warm seat and a fast solution." That one sentence, it melted the tension. Your customer forms an opinion within 7 seconds of meeting you. Are you smiling? Are you present? Are you showing that they matter? Because if you're not, someone else will. Here's how to create first impressions that stick. Make eye contact, it builds trust instantly. Smile with sincerity, people can feel it. Greet with energy, your tone sets the tone. Make it personal, notice something, say something. Angela didn't just return, she became an advocate. Why? Because someone made her feel seen, valued, and welcomed, all in the first minute. First impressions are your golden moment. Don't waste them. Want to learn how to master every customer interaction like a pro? Then hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to the Fix It.